In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert HTML to PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're working on projects, need to share web content offline, or archive web pages for reference, converting HTML files to PDFs can be incredibly useful. Let's jump right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open the Adobe Acrobat application on your computer. Once it's up and running, take a look at the top of the main screen. You'll notice a tab labeled All Tools. Go ahead and click on that tab. It will display all the available tools that Adobe Acrobat has to offer. Here you're looking for the Create a PDF tool. You might need to scroll down a bit to find it, or if you prefer, use the search function to locate it quickly. Once you've spotted the Create a PDF option, click to open it. Now that you've accessed the Create a PDF screen, the next move is to choose the HTML file you wish to convert. You'll see a button labeled Select Files. Click on it, and a File Explorer window will pop up. This is where you'll navigate through your computer's directories to find your saved.html file or any other web file you have in mind. Once you've found the HTML file you want to convert, select it and click Open or whatever the conversion button might prompt. This will bring your chosen HTML file into Adobe Acrobat ready for conversion. As soon as you select your file, Acrobat kicks into gear. The application cleverly loads your selected HTML file and begins to transform the HTML structure and content into a well-formatted PDF document. You don't need to do anything here. The conversion happens automatically. Once the conversion is complete, your brand new PDF document will pop open in Acrobat, ready for you to save it to your desired location. It's quick, efficient, and as seamless as you could hope for. Simply choose where you want to save it and relax, knowing your content is now easily shareable as a PDF. Now here's a quick alternative for those looking to convert a live web page rather than a file saved on their computer. Start by heading over to the Create a PDF tool again. This time, instead of selecting a file, keep an eye out for the option to convert a web page. This option should appear once you've entered the Create a PDF interface. Once it's visible, all you have to do is enter the full URL or web address of the page you want to convert. Adobe Acrobat will then capture and convert the live content into a PDF, preserving the functionality and appearance of the live website within your new file. There you have it. Converting HTML files or live web pages to PDFs in Adobe Acrobat is a straightforward process, ensuring your content can be stored and shared with ease.